Hello guys, welcome to another YouTube channel. It's very nice to meet you after so long, and today I have come up with a different application which pays to walk. Interesting, right? Let's see what it is. Let's directly dive into the video, and I am here in a website called Sweatcoin.in. So what this Sweatcoin is? Sweatcoin is a digital currency app which pays to walk. Its motto is to keep the healthier planet as well as healthier and wealthier me and you. Sweatcoin is a step counter app that tracks your daily steps and swaps them for sweat coins. For example, if you walk 1000 steps, it will convert it into one sweat coin. 1000 steps is equal to one sweat coin. It is available in Google Play Store as well as Apple App Store. These sweat coins can be then changed for discount items and other perks that can be purchased in their store, or else in this Sweatcoin we will go through how does Sweatcoin work and is it even worth the efforts. I will directly go to the Sweatcoin app, dive in and walk through the app. So Sweatcoin app is another fitness app that's supposed to count your steps. It was launched by a company named Sweatco Limited. Instantly it became a massive hit only because it was fresh and offered to convert your outdoor steps into money. This money can be exchanged for various gadgets, fitness kits, services, discounts and more. So what is the catch with this Sweatcoin? As soon as you sign up using my link, you will also get daily rewards. 3 rewards on daily basis to claim. Every time you walk outdoors using this Sweatcoin app, which counts your steps, the total amount of steps will be converted into money, but this is actually a digital currency. So the Sweatcoin catch is this is not really cash in hand what you are getting as most or just the actual sweat coins. 1000 steps are approximately 0.95 sweat coins. I told one sweat coin, but actually there is a 5% processing fee. Okay. So Sweatcoin app doesn't actually show the walked distance, it shows only the steps. So I would still recommend getting an activity tracker if you're serious about tracking your health and fitness, or tracking about your walking and calories burnt. No need for anything fancy, but a simple Garmin would be nice. Maybe a very simple smartwatch like Noise or Bolt or something else. Or if you already have a Galaxy Watch or Apple Watch, that would be really nice as well. So how does this Sweatcoin app counts your discounts? First, you will start with the Sweatcoins free version, or as they call it, the mover. The version allows you to earn up to 5 Sweatcoins in a day, which equals 150 Sweatcoins a month. As you can see in the insights, I have walked. This is my step history in this month actually. Some days I was very vigorous in walking. Some days, if the day is busy, I could not walk more. Sweatcoin has 4 more various to go with, and these ones cost some money. Like you can become a premium member of this. So Sweatcoins appears under the freemium model. It's also free, and you can also be a pro member. I am a premium member of this, so it will show the month and week and today's activity, and it will also show the steps converted into the Sweatcoin. And also you will have an option to invite friends and earn Sweatcoin. One friend invited who has actually installed the Sweatcoin through your link, you will gain 5 Sweatcoins. What I noticed was when Sweatcoin actually limited my walks according to which plan I went for. Let's say that you are a walk lover and that you normally wander around for about 10 kilometers or 6.2 miles a day. In this example, you would be on the mover version, the one which was free, and because the mover has the limit of tracking until you reach 5k steps, everything above it would not be counted. Hence, this is the reason why people are triggered to upgrade, so to speak. No one likes to be limited in tracking if you are going after a particular item you want to buy. So how many sweat coins you can earn then? 20k steps equal to 1000 sweat coins. In other words, if you want to actually earn 1000 sweat coins, then according to the above limitations, you must walk for 15 kilometers or 9.3 miles for 3 years straight. Does this sound realistic to you? Probably not. But when you're writing other Sweatcoin reviews online, I see that this fitness app sometimes wrongly calculates the money that you should be earning on steps that you have walked. My advice, don't look at Sweatcoin as money, it's more bonus points than money. Therefore, Sweatcoin is more like a marketing platform and tool for various promotions. Besides, you can't really cash out what you have earned, but you can still gain some good health, also buy some gadgets or perks. I will walk you through the physical products available in the store. You have a lot of options to buy over here, and they will also give you a good variety of discounts. You can also go to their websites and see what and all is available here. It will also give you Amazon voucher sometimes, or else you can buy Apple AirTag, Airbnb tickets, and whatnot. You can also buy some subscriptions for OTT platforms like Netflix. So, if I have to talk about the pros and cons, it's a new way of counting your daily steps while getting into a more payful mode, and work with a great concept and mission because it motivates people to walk more. So, nothing harm in it. You can exchange your steps for discounts and donate your sweat coins to crowdfunding campaigns. You can also use sweat coins because it has a simple UI, so it's easy to navigate through. And if I have to talk about the cons about Sweatcoin, they seem to do everything they can to limit the user steps, and facing a lot of inaccuracies in its algorithm sometimes. Uh, Items listed in their product selection might be cheap, but they disguise the shipping cost. Every time you purchase anything, it puts you through a huge hassle of signups, limited amount of rewards. So, after finding out the catch, is a Sweatcoin good? Yes, of course. If you have to chill out with a good walk and to become a very fit and healthy person, it's quite good. Sweatcoin is used purely for marketing and promo materials only. So, in collaboration with partners, they seem to be offering many discounts and unique products, but in reality, the offers are slightly overpriced, but you can still buy them in cheap price if you tend to walk more regularly. So, why not try this? This will be really fun, guys. So just try Sweatcoin once. Use my link below to sign up today and earn while you walk. Saying this, I'm signing off. See you in the next video of another YouTube channel. Until then, keep watching another YouTube channel. Bye bye. Take care.